Hey, what's up, guys? Just gonna open up these pots here and let you get a good look at them. I already cut open the bottom and pulled one or two of them out for a couple plants that I have. I think I put a small sunflower in one and started actually a watermelon for my daughter in the other one. But anyway, you can see they come with three different sizes, and this last one, here you go. So here's your three different sizes that you get. They are really nice, sturdy pots. I said I've only pulled out one or two of them, but I do really like it. You get a little flex to them, but what I really love is the drain holes at the bottom. I'm just going to show you the small one because it's, actually, I'll show you the big one to make sure you can see it better. So you can see the drain holes down here at the bottom, and it kind of has these feet that it sits on. So as you water your plants and have them in your trays, it will actually set up and keep your plants and your pots out of the excess water. So it drains down and just stores the water in whatever your trays are. And then it also comes with these plant markers. So that's pretty cool. I think it looks like they're, depending if you don't use like a permanent marker, you can write on these and wash them off and reuse them. So that's really cool. So overall, I mean, I think these are really nice pots and I do recommend them.